Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Ahamd Arabic class. Me, Ahamd Arabic coach. Continue to foundation course of Arabic curriculum in Gulf countries and other beginners. So I hope you might have watched from part number 1 till part number 15 how to write and how to read Arabic made easy. It is part number 16. In this part, we will know about diphthong sound. Okay, diphthong sound. I write here diphthong sound. Diphthong. Okay, it is diphthong. So diphthong, diphthong, diphthong sound, diphthong sound. Okay, what is diphthong? What is diphthong sound? Diphthong sound is ow. You can say ow or you can say I. Ow and I is called diphthong sound. As I told you in lesson of long vowel, alif long vowel, waw long vowel, and ya long vowel. I told you, and I hope you might have known, uh, waw before. See, in lesson of waw long vowel, I write here waw long vowel. For example, waw long vowel, I write. Yeah, I write waw long vowel. Okay, see, this is waw, and waw before dhamma, it is long vowel. Okay, waw long vowel, waw long vowel needs waw long vowel needs dhamma before it. Okay, it means dhamma sound is suitable for waw long vowel. Okay, and same is ya long vowel kasra. Okay, and here's ya long vowel and ya kasra. So ya before kasra is suitable sound, right? Ya before kasra is suitable sound of ya. Okay, so kasra is e. Okay, so ya before kasra is suitable sounds e, and waw before dhamma is suitable sounds u. And long vowel, now read double wow, right? Ooh. Okay, so wow long vowel before dhamma, ooh sound, stretch it, and ya before kasra long vowel, so read double e, stretch. Okay, and put your voice down, stretch e. Okay, so in one line dhamma is suitable for wow long vowel. I write here. Okay, change the color. Okay, so yeah, dhamma is suitable for waw long vowel. Okay, and kasra is suitable for ya long vowel. And I told you 95% 95% wow, always wow, you find always wow before dhamma. 95% you will find wow before dhamma. Wow before dhamma. Okay, and 95% you will find kasra ya before kasra. Okay, 95% you will find ya before kasra. Kasra is suitable for ya and dhamma is suitable for wow. Clear? I hope you might have understood. Clear? Got it. Mazboot. So it is long vowel oo and it is long vowel oo. Okay, and it is long vowel e, as you know. But today I will teach you diphthong. So what is diphthong sound? Diphthong is called lean, harfi lean. So in Arabic you can say harfi lean. I write words lean. You can say lean, L-E-E-N, lean, harfi lean. In Arabic is lean. Okay, and you can say in English diphthong. To lean or diphthong. diphthong, diphthong. So diphthong. So you can say in Arabic lean or diphthong. Okay, so what is diphthong? I write here. I write here what is diphthong. Okay, diphthong. This is diphthong. Diphthong is waw before fatha. Yes. Okay, waw before fatha. Waw before fatha. I told you wow 90% wow always is wow before dhamma long vowel oo, but 5% you will find wow before fatha. It is diphthong. Okay, and 95% you will find ya before kasra, ya long vowel e sound, but 5% you will find ya before fatha. Okay, so wa before dhamma is suitable sound and ya before kasra is suitable for ya, but 5% you will find wa before fatha. Okay, it is diphthong. Wa before fatha sound, I write here au, au. I write again au, au. So this is au. Okay, this is au, not u. Okay, so I write here a u, au, 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 au. Okay, so 95% wa before dhamma is suitable sound, but 5% wa before fatha sounds au. It is diphthong. It is diphthong. Okay, and ya 95% ya before kasra sounds e long vowel, but 5% you will find ya before fatha sounds I. I write here I. It is diphthong. Okay, so it is diphthong. Au. Wa diphthong. I, ya diphthong. Okay, so wa diphthong au, wa diphthong au, and ya diphthong I. Okay, so au and I. I hope you might have understood. Clear? Now let's see example. Let's see example. So first I write wa diphthong. I write example of wa diphthong. Like read this word. Read this word. Khawf. Khaw. Okay, diphthong. Khaw. See, wa before fatha. Wa before fatha. Khawf. Wow diphthong. Wow diphthong. I write here wow diphthong. Wow diphthong. Okay, wow diphthong. Wow before fatha. Wow before fatha. Okay, khawf. It is example of wow diphthong. Okay, wow diphthong. Or now, okay, and other example of wow diphthong, khawf, and yes, moj, right? Wave, right? Wave of river, right? Moj. See here, mim fatha. See mim fatha, wow before mim fatha, and jim. Moj. Oh, see, wow diphthong. This is wow diphthong. This is wow diphthong. Mim, wow before fatha. Wow before fatha. Wow diphthong. Moj. So khawf, mauj. Okay. Khawf, mauj. Okay. It is example of wow diphthong. Wow diphthong. Okay. Now, so and other example. Let's see other example. Other example is like howl, howl. See, ha, wow before fatha. Howl, right? Howl, howl. Howl means around something. Howl. So khawf, mauj, howl. Okay, it is example of wow diphthong. Okay, now let's see example of ya diphthong. Remove it. Ya diphthong. So ya diphthong. Okay, I write ya diphthong. See here, sod, ya, and fa. Okay, see here ya, right? Ya, and ya before fatha. Ya before fatha, right? Ya before fatha. It is safe, right? I. No, ya diphthong sound. A I. A-I-I, right? I, saif, saif, saif. So saif means summer. And one more sound, same sound, but spelling is different. Spelling is different with seen. It is also saif. Okay, seen fatha. See here, ya before fatha. Ya before fatha. Ya dipthong, say. Ya dipthong, say, and saif. So first word is saif. Saif is summer, and second word is saif means sword. No, sword. Okay, so sword is saif. So saif and saif. Okay, so and uh, saif and saif and ya diphthong. So here is ya diphthong. So this is say ya diphthong and say ya diphthong. Safe. Safe. First one is also safe. Sound same and safe. Safe and safe. Okay. Now let's see other example. Okay. So other example of ya diphthong. Ya diphthong. Ya diphthong is okay. Now write this word. Maidan. Mim. Ya. Dal. Alif and Noon. This is Maidan. So Mim Fatha. See here, Ya diphthong, Ya before Fatha. This is Ya diphthong. Ya diphthong. Maidan. 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 Okay. So this is Ya before Fatha. Lean. Yani diphthong sound. I. Mai. Maidan. 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 Okay. Maidan. Okay. Maidan. Okay. Maidan. So is ya diphthong. Okay. So let's see other example. Maidan. Okay, and one more word is here, right? Is khail. No, khail means horse. Kha, ya, lam. See again ya diphthong. Kha. Okay, see here ya before fatha. Khay, khay. Ya sound. Ya diphthong sound. I, khay, khayl, 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 ya diphthong. Done? Okay, so I hope you might have understood. Okay, everything is clear. What is sound of wa diphthong and what is sound of ya diphthong? Again, I say khawf, khawf, wa diphthong, khawf. Okay, mauj, and ya diphthong, saif, khayl, saif and khayl. Sorry, khayl. Done. Okay, so thanks for watching. I would like to request you please share, please like, share, and subscribe my channel for Ahamd Arabic class. We'll see you in next session. And in next session, I will teach you. Sun letter. Okay, sun letter, then moon letter. Okay, yeah. So we'll see you in next class. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum.